Hey, let me share something with you. This is something that I've learned from experience of helping a lot of people get their product up on Amazon. The biggest mistake people make is the product. That's it. It's not really finding the supplier. It's not really, listing it. You get a few issues, but really a lot of the issues will come down to you choosing a bad product. This is from my experience and helping a lot of people get their product up on Amazon, and just hearing what people are telling me prior to coming to me is they're just choosing really bad products. So products that people don't want, products that are not in demand, products that are just simply in a saturated or overcrowded marketplace. So whatever product you get involved in, just make sure it is a product that is actually in demand and there's not too many people selling this particular product. I'm just about to have a coffee. I'm up here on the Central Coast, just north of Sydney, and I'm about to have a coffee with actually a client of mine, one of my platinum clients. And their struggle, before they came to me, they actually chose a product that, if I looked at it, I would say stay away from this product with the 10-foot pole, don't even touch it. They jumped on this product, they spent a small fortune, and now guess what? They can't sell the product. So do not be in that scenario, do not make that mistake. Make sure the product that you are getting or want to get involved in is actually in demand. It's selling right now on Amazon, doesn't have too many people selling the exact same product. And also you want to make sure that it's something that isn't going to be overburdening, right? You don't want to be getting 10,000 units. You don't want to be getting 5,000 units, right? You want to test the product, because you never know. You never know. It could be your second product that becomes a success. It could be your third product that becomes a success. You actually never know really which product is going to kick it. It could be your first product. You never know, right? So just keep that in mind, guys. Get out there, but put more thought into researching the product. Make sure you spend a bit more time researching the product to make sure it is meeting the demand and it's not in an oversaturated market. And talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.